Hey guys, today we have a microwave oven. Let's see and check it out. Okay kids, let's start making a hamburger. We start with the bread, then the burger, and last the top of the bread. Let's put it in. And I'm sorry. Put it in. And close it. Okay, let's press it on hamburger. That's 15 seconds. And let's go. And it's finished! Let's see what we got. We got one delicious hamburger. Look how it looks. Amazing. Let's now make some chicken. Put it in. Close the door. And let's press this one. 12 seconds. Let's go. That chicken looks good. Come on, let's make the chicken. Yeah, let's go. It's finished. Open the door. This looks and smells amazing. Let's put some ketchup on here. And some mayonnaise. Delicious. Now it's time for a hot dog. We have the bread. Let's put the hot dog on there and put it in. Okay, we have a hot dog. Okay, let's press hamburger. Reset. 15 seconds. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go! There's our hot dog. Open the door and let's see how it looks. That just looks amazing. Put some ketchup on there. Put some mayonnaise. And let's eat it. And now, of course, some popcorn. Okay, let's put that inside. Hoppa, yep. And let's press some kind of button and go. Two, one, and it's finished. The popcorn must be finished now. The popcorn must be finished now. Microwave, you're amazing.